If you're a homeowner and your roof insurance claim was just denied, don't worry, you're not alone. Roof damage, especially after storms with hail or high winds, some of the most common reasons homeowners file insurance claims. But unfortunately, denials happen more often than you'd expect. At RoofRight, we've helped countless families across the state deal with the frustration of denied roofing claims. And we want you to know that you have options. Insurance companies deny roof damage claims for a few common reasons. But a denial does not mean the story has to end there. Make sure you read your denial letter carefully. Compare their reasons with your policy. Are they valid? Request the adjuster's report. You have a right to see how they assessed the damage. Gather your own documentation. Take clear photos, find past receipts, and log any recent maintenance. Get a second inspection. Call a trusted roofer, like RoofRight, to conduct an independent assessment. This can be a crucial part in appealing your claim. You can file a formal appeal, but make sure to back it up with strong evidence, like your photos, inspection reports, and secondary contractor opinions. If you're still denied, you can always file a complaint with your state's insurance administration. And in serious cases, you may want to consult an attorney, especially when major repairs are necessary. A lot of homeowners make costly errors during this process, so avoid delaying your claim, starting repairs before inspection, using out-of-state contractors, or skipping annual roof maintenance. At RoofRight, we're not just here to fix roofs. We want to help you protect your investment. Whether you need a second opinion after a denied claim, a repair estimate, or a full inspection, RoofRight will be here to guide you through every step. You can contact us today at 410-374-5923 or online at roofright.com.